Day 1 feels easy. Day 7 feels unbearable. Day 30 feels unstoppable. Most people never make it past day 3 of NoFap, but those who do, their brains rewire. Their confidence skyrockets. But what really happens when you stop? For finding the truth about the NoFap challenge, stay till the end, because you will be shocked. Let me take you on a 30-day journey, a challenge that nearly broke me, but in the end, changed me forever. All right, I'm doing this. 30 days. No excuses. At first, it seemed easy. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Nothing felt different. But then, day 4 hit, and that's when the real battle began. Have you ever tried NoFap? How long did you last? Let me know in the comments. By day 7, I couldn't focus. My brain craved that dopamine hit. I couldn't stop thinking about it. Was this even worth it? That's when I learned the brutal truth. Your brain has been hijacked. Years of instant gratification have weakened your willpower. And when you suddenly cut it off, your mind fights back. So I had 2 choices. 1. Give in and start over. 2. Push through the pain and see what's on the other side. I chose the second option. Day 14. Something changed. I woke up and felt different. My mind was clearer. My energy, explosive. For the first time in years, I could walk into a room and feel like I belonged there. That's when I realized confidence isn't something you fake, it's something you build. But just when I thought I had won, the hardest challenge was yet to come. Day 21, the urge was unbearable. Everything in my body screamed for a release. Just once. No one will know. I was 1 second away from failure. But then, I did something I never thought would work. And that changed everything. By day 30, my confidence was unshakable. My focus, razor sharp. But the real question is, what happens after 30 days? Does the effect last? Or does everything come crashing down? I'll tell you in part 2.